imagine someone calls your business and instead of waiting on hold or listening to music, an AI answers instantly. No wait time, no delays. It speaks, understands, and handles the conversation in real time. Even if you're busy, your team is unavailable, or the call comes in late at night, there's still something managing it seamlessly. And the most interesting part is that today, you can build your own AI calling agent without writing a single line of code. So in this video, we are going to break down step by step how you can create your own AI calling agent. You don't need a coding background or any complex technical knowledge. All you need is a clear understanding of what you want the AI to say and how you want it to behave. Let's first understand what an AI calling agent actually is. In simple terms, it's an AI-powered voice assistant that handles incoming calls. It can answer customer questions, route calls, schedule appointments, and even provide basic support. The key difference is that this is not a traditional IVR system where you press numbers to navigate. Instead, it has a natural conversation, understands context, and responds intelligently. What makes this so powerful is how accessible it has become. Earlier, building something like this required coding knowledge, developers, and a lot of time. Today, with no-code platforms, you can create an AI agent within minutes using simple drag-and-drop interfaces. Whether you're a small business or a startup, you now have access to the same level of automation, and this is not just about convenience. It directly impacts cost savings and scalability. The first step is to create your AI agent on a platform. You usually have the option to start from scratch or use ready-made templates. Templates are especially helpful for beginners because they already have a basic structure in place, making the setup process faster and easier. Once that is done, the next step is to define your agent's personality. You give it a name, decide its tone, whether it should sound friendly, professional, or casual, and choose its voice. This step is important because it directly shapes the caller's experience. If your brand is premium, the tone needs to reflect that. If your audience is younger, the tone will be completely different. After that, you define the agent's skills and behavior. This is where you decide what the AI should do and how it should respond. You specify the types of questions it should answer, when it should transfer the call, and when it should close the conversation. The more clarity you provide here, the more structured and useful your AI becomes. This step is essentially like training the AI through instructions. Next comes the most important part, the conversation flow. This is where you decide how the call will progress. You decide how the AI greets the caller, what questions it asks, and what happens after each response. You can define greetings, follow-up questions, and fallback responses. If this isn't planned properly, the AI may give random or irrelevant responses which won't work well in a business context. Once the flow is set, the next step is to connect your AI to a real phone number. You assign a number so that whenever someone calls, the AI automatically picks up and starts the conversation. This is the step where your AI moves from setup to actual business usage. After everything is connected, testing becomes the most critical step. You need to call the system yourself and check if the AI is responding correctly. If you notice gaps or issues, you go back, refine the instructions, and improve the flow. This is a continuous process where you keep making the AI smarter and more efficient over time. AI calling agents can be used across multiple areas in a business. Lead capture. It collects basic customer details automatically. Appointment booking. It confirms slots and schedules calls without manual effort. Customer support. It handles repetitive queries efficiently. After-hours support. It ensures no calls are missed even when the business is closed. AI calling agents are not just a tool. They act as a complete system that runs your operations 24/7. Whether you're busy or offline, your business stays active and responsive. This is becoming the new normal, and businesses that adopt it early are the ones that will scale faster. At this point, it's clear that AI tools are not just meant to be understood, they need to be built and applied. That's why places like Nexpert School of Digital Marketing and AI focus on real practical learning. Instead of just theory, you can work on real use cases where you actually create AI agents, campaigns, and systems. This approach doesn't just give you knowledge, it gives you the confidence to execute. The final takeaway is simple. Building an AI calling agent today is not difficult. The real challenge is making it useful and efficient. If you design the flow properly and give it clear instructions, it can become a powerful support system for your business. If you want more practical breakdowns like this on AI and digital marketing, make sure you like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in comments what kind of AI calling agent you would want to build. And stay tuned, because in the next videos, we will be breaking down even more advanced AI tools.